In today's digital age, where technology plays a vital role in our lives, cybersecurity has become more critical than ever before. Whether you are a tech-savvy individual or just starting to explore the digital world, understanding the basics of cybersecurity is essential to protect your personal information and stay safe online. This article aims to provide beginners with an in-depth overview of cybersecurity, covering essential concepts, best practices, and practical tips to safeguard against cyber threats. 1. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, attacks, damage, or theft. It encompasses a wide range of measures, technologies, and practices that work together to safeguard digital information and ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. 2. Understanding cyber threats. In this section, we will explore various types of cyber threats, such as viruses, malware, phishing, ransomware, and social engineering attacks. Understanding these threats is crucial in developing effective strategies to defend against them. 2.1 Viruses and malware. Viruses and malware are malicious software programs designed to infiltrate and disrupt computer systems or steal sensitive information. They can infect your devices through downloads, attachments, or malicious websites. 2.2 Phishing attacks. Phishing is a deceptive technique used by cybercriminals to trick individuals into revealing their personal information, such as passwords or credit card details, by posing as trustworthy entities. 2.3 Ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts the victim's data, making it inaccessible until a ransom is paid. It has become one of the most significant cybersecurity threats in recent years. 2.4 Social engineering. Social engineering relies on psychological manipulation to deceive individuals into divulging sensitive information. Attackers exploit human behavior rather than technical vulnerabilities. 3. Importance of strong passwords. A robust password is the first line of defense against unauthorized access to your accounts and devices. This section will discuss the characteristics of a strong password and how to create and manage them effectively.